I ain't tryna. I ain't tryna. I ain't tryna. Yeah, ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes. I'm clumsy. Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know
what we got here? We got SSD for GTX 160 Ti. So far not great, but just gonna sell this and keep it back. And we got here. AMD Ryzen 5 1000 series. Okay, I got it. And the motherboard, we got Asus Prime B40MK. We got Gigabyte SSD and 240 GB. RGB flow. This is RAM 9.45.
I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass.
There's a lot of style and I'm gonna expect it to be like this. I like this like this. Monitor, that's it. See, I got full set of but anything else. Alright. I didn't expect this to be this big. It's more than enough. Freaking huge. I didn't expect to be this huge. Oh my god, how much power is it consuming? Look at that.
Flip your hands for Amateur Remix.
So RAM and another slot is left, so putting one on. 1080p resolution HD. Oh my god. I don't believe this.
Wait. Renegade. Hey, Reese, go. 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 Yeah. Go. Go. Go.